There he goes.
Princeton traffic, Skyline 680.
Alright. 3 of November, taking off. That's 3 Romeo Mike, actually. Okay, so, when this hits like 50, we're gonna do a little bit like this, and then it will just go up like by itself. See, there we go. See how simple that is? Quite a beautiful day, too.
Skyhawk 493, Romeo Mike. Radar contact 1,200, 1 southwest of the Verrazano Bridge. Cleared to the Class Bravo airspace up the Hudson. Skyline routing. Maintain VFR 1,500 for now. New York altimeter is 3021.
3021, clear into the Bravo, clear Skyline, 3 Romeo Mike. That was us. Now we can go in.
Temperature separation with that traffic. Your radar contact 1,200. Cleared to the Class Bravo airspace 1,500. New York altimeter is 3021. Which tour?
Alright, 3021, I'm cleared into Bravo 1,500, it's 12 Bravo, so I got the traffic inside, so.
7 Tango Delta, Roger, red separation, approval traffic.
Okay, thank you.
Skyhawk 3 Romeo Mike, that previously issued traffic now is at your
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, half a mile northbound, 1,500. How's your insight? Maintain the visual.
Yeah, we got him. 3 Romeo Mike.
Roger, Skyhawk 3 Romeo Mike. Clear separation, approve with that traffic. And advise when you're ready to continue northbound.
We're ready to continue northbound. We're making our way up in Hudson right now.
Alright, Skyhawk 3 Romeo Mike. You can climb, maintain VFR at 2,000, so you won't be that much of a factor to a helicopter.
2,000 for 3 Romeo Mike. It might just fall off any second now. It's not proven to, I don't know. Gonna just keep an eye on it.
Is it ground zero?
Right.
À droite et non, hein, c'est là qu'il y avait les Twin Towers. Où ils sont en train de construire, tu vois? À droite, il y avait l'endroit où il y avait les Twin Towers.
3 Romeo Mike. Contact LaGuardia Tower now 126.05. Just make that request that you want to go to Alpine Tower and back down to DZ, and I'll help you out with that.
2605, and we'll make the request again. Thanks for your help. LaGuardia Tower, November 493 Romeo Mike, 2000 above the Hudson.
Cessna 493 Romeo Mike, LaGuardia Tower, continue northbound on the Hudson River, maintain 2,000 feet, altimeter 3020. You want to go up to the Alpine Towers and then come back?
Affirmative, sir, and if we could get 1,500, we'd happily take it.
Alright, well, first off, going up to the Alpine Towers is well out of my airspace, so I'm going to have to terminate you up around Spite and Dival. And do you have the Cessna, do you have the helicopter in sight? 12 o'clock and a quarter mile at 1,500 feet?
Yeah, we had him. We're trying to find him again, but he was well below us.
Alright, when you get him in sight, let me know and I'll be able to get you low. I can't get you low until you have him in sight.
Gotcha.
Papa, qu'est-ce qui se passe avec l'hélicoptère?
Do we have the helicopter? I don't see it.
No, we need to find it in order to go down.
Yeah. I never had that kind of request.
Papa,
Oui.
qu'est-ce qui se passe avec l'hélicoptère?
Il y a un autre hélicoptère qui vole à côté de nous. Il faut qu'on le voit pour pouvoir descendre un petit peu notre altitude.
Pourquoi faut qu'on le voit?
Pour être sûr qu'on rentre pas dedans.
I don't see him.
Don't see him either.
Ah, well.